I've been following you, taking advice, purchase the Ordinary skincare line, and applying it as you advise. Question: what's the difference between the sets, i.e. balance set versus acne set, and how to layer? Okie dokie. Okay, first, the acne set has the glucoside foaming cleanser, salicylic acid serum, and the Ordinary's natural moisturizing factors plus beta glucan. The balance set has squalene cleanser. It has the salicylic acid mask, has niacinamide serum, and it has the natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. Okay. My favorite cleanser is the glucoside foaming cleanser from their collection. I love that cleanser. I would use that cleanser in the AM and the PM. On days where you wear makeup, or if you wear a lot of sunscreen, if you feel like you need just a different types of cleanser, or on a day when you're going to use your salicylic acid mask, which you would only use at night, use your squalene cleanser. You apply it to your fingers, rub it in, really rub it, give it a good 20 seconds. You want it to turn to an oil, apply it to your skin, rub that in for 30 seconds before you do your mask. So you'll rub it as you normally cleanse, rinse your skin, allow for it to air dry, and then apply the salicylic acid mask. Of the two moisturizers, they're very different. One's more cream, one's a clear gel. My personal preference is the natural moisturizing factors plus beta glucan. You decide. You try them both. Put them on your hands and see how they make you feel. You may be completely indifferent to them, but you may also have a preference. One of them feels completely weightless on the skin to me, and the other I can feel, and so my preference is the beta glucan. As far as serums go, you can use both of those serums every single day. Put the salicylic acid serum on first and then the niacinamide serum. Those two work amazing together to help prevent and treat acne. One of my favorite things about The Ordinary is that they want for you to build your regimen. They are heavy on you building the routine that is going to work for your skin type, your skin condition, to get to the outcome that you want. So you can double cleanse. You can even start with your squalene cleanser, see how your skin feels, and then apply the glucoside foaming cleanser. And you can do it in reverse. Now, actually, no, you cannot. Do not do it in reverse, because the squalene cleanser goes directly on dry skin. So when you come home from work and you're getting ready to go through your wind down routine, you would apply the squalene cleanser to clean hands and then apply it to your face when it's still dry. But that's a great way for you to see how your skin responds to different cleansers. You now have two powerful serums that are going to help minimize your pores, keep them clear, help with the skin tone. You're going to see your skin really bright. You have literally two different moisturizers that you can test, one of which you'll fall in love or you'll love them both. And you have a great mask, which is going to be great at gently exfoliating the skin, unclogging your pores, and making your skin look refreshed every single week. So it's like this. Pick and choose what you want from each. You can literally be as intentional and simple as just using the acne set as it comes every single day, morning and night, and then maybe using the balance set once a week when you decide to do a mask. It is completely up to you. I've tried it all of the ways I just shared, and I love the products all the same. Okay, let me know if you have other questions. Hope this helps.